your bag from Bella and Isabella? I mean, Vanessa and Isabella? Let's open it, okay? What's in there, Buzz?
Huh?
What's in there?
You take it.
Okay, I'll take it. Let's see. Let me see if I can help you.
It's funny.
Yeah, it's funny. Okay, open it. Open it, Buzz. What do you got there, Alex? Is it a ball from your bag? Yeah, okay, open it. I'll help you. Yay, what's in there? Oh, pull it, pull it. Yay. What's in here? It's a
flower.
It's a flower. What about in here? What's in here?
It's a bird.
Woo! Yes.
And bubble.
Bubbles. Yeah. What else do you see?
And a bubble.
Is this, what is this? There's a ball. Oh, crayons.
It's mine.
And M&Ms. And what is this? What's this? Look, Betty, look. What's this? What's this, Betty? Look. What's this? What's this?
That's a bone. That's my bone.
Ooh, look at this. Is it a comb for your hair? Yeah, because you have lots of hair now. It's nice.